Agriculture.
Agriculture is for everyone.
100 years ago, farmers provided food for their family.
But today, farmers provide
Food, fuel, and fiber.
for multiple families.
Farming doesn't get easier, we just get stronger.
Each day, there are more and more people in the world.
But the amazing part is,
Farm and ranch families make up only 2%.
2% of the U.S. population.
Farming doesn't get easier.
we just get
stronger.
And yet, there's much more to agriculture than just food and fuel.
Agriculture provides things like textiles,
Pharmaceuticals,
Batteries.
Crayons, carpets,
and hundreds of other unexpected products.
As FFA members, it's our role to lead the next generation of farmers.
continuing to use advanced technology
To do our jobs more efficiently.
Helping to produce more innovative products,
for even more people.
while protecting the environment for future generations.
Farming doesn't get easier.
we just get stronger.
And as they have been for nearly 100 years,
The Iowa Farm Bureau is there.
To support us.
As we farm stronger.
The Iowa Farm Bureau is Iowa's largest grassroots farm organization.
they're a voice for agriculture.
representing more than 159,000 Farm Bureau member families.
A proud sponsor of this year's Leadership Conference
The Iowa Farm Bureau provides funding
For the FFA Enrichment Center,
and millions of dollars in scholarships.
For students pursuing ag degrees.
keeping Iowa's farm legacy going is important to the Iowa Farm Bureau.
Which is why they developed a Young Farmer program.
to connect with young farmers from around the state.
And provide them with tools to help them grow their farm business.
The Iowa Farm Bureau believes in us.
The leaders of the Farm Stronger generation.
That's why they're also the sole title sponsor.
Of the Iowa High School Athletic Association.
And the Iowa Girls High School Athletic Union.
Celebrating student and athletic achievement.
Iowa Farm Bureau members are known for being farm strong.
And they are excited to see every one of us.
Iowa's FFA leaders.
As we farm stronger,
As we farm stronger today and into the future.
growing safe, wholesome food,
While protecting Iowa's land and water.
How strong are you? Stop by the Iowa Farm Bureau booth in the Ag Career Show and take a swing at the Farm Strong Boxer for a chance to win some great prizes, like these awesome Farming Stronger t-shirts. See you there.